Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. In this video, I'll be sharing how to season and maintain clay cookwares easily. This time from my native, I got these clay cookwares. These were at very reasonable prices. This is a tawa which I'll be using for making rotis or parathas. These two pots are for cooking curries, sabzi, etc. Firstly, let's clean it. Don't use any dishwashing soap or liquid as it will get into the pores of the cookwares. To wash this, always use plain water and a soft scrub. Don't use harsh or metal scrubs as well. Coconut fiber is the best to wash. So now I have washed it using plain water. After washing, submerge these cookwares in a tub or bucket of water and leave it for 24 hours. Pots will start absorbing the water and it will get strengthened. You can see the air bubbles coming up as it is absorbing the water. After 24 hours, take out the cookwares and dry it completely, preferably in sunlight. It's clean and dry. Now apply coconut oil or any vegetable oil to the inner surface generously. Place the pots on gas stove. Keep the flame in low to medium. Pots will start absorbing oil. Now add some more oil and add fresh grated coconut and fry for 5 to 10 minutes. You can use onions as well for frying. Spread the mixture all over the pot. This is after turning off the flame and still pots are so warm. Once it cools down, discard the coconut and wash it. For washing, I'm using rice flour here. You can use gram flour or jowar flour as well. Just scrub it in hand or use a mild scrub to wash it. Last step is fill the pots with water and keep it overnight. In case the water level has gone down the next morning, then repeat the seasoning process. If the water level remains same, then the pots are ready to use. So start cooking in clay cookwares and be healthy. Sharing few tips to maintain the earthen cookwares. Don't heat the pots for a longer time on high flame. Immediately add the ingredients you wish to use. Always cook in low to medium flame. Use wooden spatula or spoon to stir the food. For deep cleaning, just boil some water, add a lemon and let it boil for 10 minutes or so. Once after cooling a bit, discard the water and wash it in plain water. Always dry it completely before storing it in cabinet to avoid fungus. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos in the future.